In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove your accountant in QuickBooks Online. Managing who has access to your books is essential for accuracy and security, and today we'll focus on the built-in place in QuickBooks where you control accountant access so you can confidently remove an accountant when needed and know where you'd go if you ever need to add one again. Before we start, make sure you're signed in with a role that can manage users like company admin or primary admin. If you don't have those permissions, you won't see the options we're about to use. Begin by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right and open the Settings menu, the gear icon. This is your control center for company-level tasks. From there, choose Manage Users. That takes you to the User Management area where QuickBooks separates regular users from accounting firms so you can handle each cleanly. Inside Manage Users, switch to the Accounting Firms section. This tab shows any accounting firms or accountants that currently have access to your company file. Find the accountant you want to remove. In the Accountant column, you'll see a small drop-down arrow next to their entry. Click that arrow to reveal actions available for that accountant. Select Delete, sometimes labeled Remove depending on your version. QuickBooks will usually ask you to confirm. This is a safeguard because removing an accountant immediately revokes their access to your books. They won't be able to open your company file going forward, and your user list will update to reflect that change. Confirm the deletion and wait a moment for the page to refresh. You should see that the accountant no longer appears in the accounting firms list. If the name still shows, try refreshing your browser. A few quick tips. If you don't see the Accounting Firms tab, or the Delete option is grayed out, you likely don't have the necessary permissions. Ask your primary admin to make the change or elevate your access. If you manage more than one company in QuickBooks, verify you're in the correct company file before removing anyone. You can switch companies from the company switcher near the top. And don't worry if you remove someone by mistake. You can invite them again from the same accounting firms area when you're ready. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened Manage Users, moved to Accounting Firms, used the drop-down in the Accountant column, and confirmed Delete. Keeping this list up to date ensures only the right professionals can access your finances, which protects your business and keeps your books clean.